Let's look at the top 25 home-based business ideas. Make sure you stay until the very end, where I've saved what I think is the biggest moneymaker for last. If you're new to the channel and want to learn how to make more money, subscribe and click the bell. That way you never miss a video. Number 25, dog grooming business. There are two ways you can go about doing this. You can either sell dog grooming items with a store, or you can start a service-based business and provide dog grooming. The dog grooming industry has a market size of over $10 billion. People love their pets, and there will always be a need for dog grooming services and supplies. Number 24, design websites. A lot of people don't want to take the time to use website builders like WordPress. They just want to hire someone to do it for them. So if you are great with graphic design, this might be a great option for you. You can check out platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to get you started. Number 23, virtual personal trainer. The personal training market is a $12.9 billion industry. All you need is some expertise in the exercise and fitness realm, or a certification to get started. You can offer virtual personal training classes and courses. You can market your services and build up your audience. Then, before you know it, you'll have a nice home business. Number 22, social media manager. The hardest part with starting a social media management business is getting that first customer. Use platforms like Instagram and YouTube to show off your knowledge and build credibility with your target audience. You can easily start this business with a laptop and some simple social media management tools. Number 21, bookkeeping services. If you like numbers and are good with math, you might want to check out a bookkeeping business. In order to set up your home bookkeeping business, you will have to register your LLC, market your services, and generate return customers. Number 20, sell on marketplaces. You can sell items on eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. Obviously, the best items to sell are going to be the ones that are in high demand that people are actively shopping for. Flipping products on online marketplaces could be one of the easiest home-based business ideas to begin. Number 19, start a daycare. Parents are always looking for good, reliable people to watch over their kids. The daycare market is only expected to grow and is currently valued at over $50 billion. This sort of business can require some upfront startup costs, though. But if you're prepared to make the investment and love working with kids, this might be a great home business option. Number 18, beauty business. The health and beauty industries are booming, so this can be a great at-home business to start. You can start an e-commerce home business selling personal care items and at-home spa rituals. Number 17, photography business. You can either sell your stock photography on your own website, or you can sell your pictures to websites like iStock, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock. Not only will you have to be able to take a great quality picture, but you also need to be able to market yourself, pick a good photography niche, and build up your brand. Number 16, sell NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are getting more popular as a profitable creative business that you can start in the comfort of your own home. You can partner with someone who is creative, or maybe you have the artistic skills yourself. First, you want to make sure that you are comfortable and familiar with the minting process. You'll need to have a basic idea of how cryptocurrency works. Number 15, sell unwanted items. Many people are changing the way they shop in order to support sustainability. You might be surprised to find out that resale clothing is actually a $4 billion industry in the US alone. So this might be a great business idea for you to check out. Number 14, play video games. That's right, video games don't just have to be a waste of time. They can actually make you some money. There's nothing quite like sitting at home on your couch and making money while you're doing it. Video game streaming platforms like Twitch can allow gamers to eventually make money from their talent. By using sponsorships, companies will pay you to play their games and stream it to your audience. Number 13, pet influencer. If you have a cute and adorable pet, you could turn them into a pet influencer. You could use a social media platform to promote your pet and get a following. Then you can promote brands and make some pretty good money. Number 12, buy products in bulk and sell them online. A lot of businesses out there import items in bulk and then sell them for profit individually. If you notice a unique item that isn't readily available in your market, but you think it would be a great hit, then it's possible that you have found a great item to sell. Or you can even find a niche that is underserved and sell a product that would be a great fit. Number 11, sell handmade products. If you have a crafty side, you might enjoy selling your own handmade products. You can easily turn your hobby into a business. This will allow you to have control over pretty much every aspect of the product that you sell. You can improve the item's quality, charge more, and even personalize each product for a particular target audience. Number 10, dropshipping. If you don't want to hold inventory in your home, dropshipping could be a great option for you. Dropshipping is where a third party, like a manufacturer, creates the product, stores the product, and ships your product. This means that marketing and customer service are your responsibility. The most important part in this whole process is finding a great supplier that makes a good quality product and is easy to communicate with. Number 9, print-on-demand business. With this type of business, you don't have to ship anything yourself or hold any inventory. Here you have a lot of flexibility to customize white label products with your own designs. You can sell a lot of different print-on-demand items like books, blankets, backpacks, hats, mugs, pillows, hoodies, shoes, watches, phone cases, and more. It's best if you try to serve a specific niche market like gamers or vegans. Number 8, service-based business. If you have the time, you can start an online service-based business. Selling services can be even simpler than selling products. However, you have to be able to allocate your time wisely. Remember, time is money, and this is especially important when you're operating a service-based business. You could offer designing or marketing services or consulting to companies. Number 7, teach online classes. If you think you have a lot of valuable knowledge that you can help others learn, then teaching online classes could be a great fit for you. You can teach pretty much anything. Teaching an online class gives you a lot of flexibility. You can create your own course and your own schedule. You have the flexibility to do it from home, and you get to decide if you want to have pre-recorded teachings or if you'd rather teach live. Number 6, add products to your service-based business. If you decide to go the service-based business route, you can always add products that focus on your knowledge and expertise. As I mentioned earlier, one of the biggest downsides of running a service-based business is that it's based off of how much time you have. But if you decide to sell a product in addition to your services, you can make a lot more money. For example, let's say you are offering a marketing service. Well, you could also offer courses and ebooks on marketing. Now you're making money from your services and your products. Number 5, purchase an existing e-commerce business. The price for buying an already established e-commerce business can vary. It depends on a lot of factors like profit potential, total revenue generated, inventory, available assets such as social media following and email lists, and so on. However, if you've got the money, then this might be a good option for you. Number 4, subscription box business. If you don't know what a subscription box is, it's basically a reoccurring physical delivery of specific niche-related products. It's packaged in a neat little box and delivered to you on a reoccurring basis to create a special customer experience. The online subscription box industry is predicted to increase 20% every year from 2021 to 2026. That is some pretty insane growth and could be a great option to make some money from home. Number 3, virtual event planner. Thanks to the pandemic, virtual events have become more popular, and that means that there is a great need for virtual event planners. You can easily start this business with a laptop, a smartphone, and internet connection. You can help plan virtual events for work meetings, fundraisers, webinars, virtual parties, and educational events. If you have a talent for bringing people together, networking, and negotiating, then this might be a great business idea for you. Number 2, affiliate marketing. You can make money with affiliate marketing on all sorts of different platforms that allow partner links. Basically, you are promoting another business's product or service. Every time a person clicks on your link and buys the product, you get a commission. You might choose to share your affiliate links on your Instagram stories, or you might want to create a website with great contacts and put your affiliate links there. Before I move on to number 1, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Also, type the word yes down in the comments below if you are going to try one of these home-based business ideas today. Number 1, Grow an audience you can monetize. Not only can this help you with the previous ideas I've already mentioned, but having a large online audience that trusts you and your brand is so powerful. You can monetize your audience in numerous ways. You can sell your own merchandise, make money with affiliate marketing, and so on. The possibilities are endless. Speaking of home-based business ideas, if you want to learn how to drop ship on eBay, click the video on the screen. Here I'll tell you everything you need to know about drop shipping on eBay so you can make money as soon as possible.